Slimesters. My name is Kiley, and I am your resident live streamer and part-time co-host of Splat podcast. I'm the newest cast member, and I have loved every moment of this. I've loved being able to come in and just kind of relive parts of my childhood. In my free time, I do a lot of other things, but one of the things that I did before I came onto the podcast was I live stream on Twitch and sometimes YouTube TTRPGs like Dungeons and Dragons and things like that. So when Alex asked me if I wanted to come on, I was all for it, and I asked if I could handle some of the live streaming we do. So let me give you a little bit of a behind the scenes look at what our Splat Chats lives look like.
All right, I'm going to show you a bit of my setup. We are currently located in my basement. If you didn't believe me before, there's all of my sets of dice and all of my game notes for the games I play. This is specifically the setup that we had for our last Splat Chats live. Lots of different scenes in the mix. This is essentially what I spend a lot of my time coming up with. So I hope you are enjoying them as much as I'm enjoying running them.
I hope you have enjoyed all the things we've been doing, especially the live events. I've really been enjoying them, and I know we've got a ton of other stuff that we've got in the mix ready for you guys this year for this season. So hope you stick around, and we'll splat you later.